Hello, my name is Nicholas Grant. So this is for CSC211 for intro to databases. So this is my final presentation for the database. So taking a look at my connections right here, I have test one, which is the user that I made per the assignment requirements. But if you go to my root here, we will talk about my achievement tracker. So this is my achievement tracker database. So let's go and take a look at the tables I've made. So looking at this, I have 10 tables in this. We have games, which is the list of the games and some general information about the game. The achievements, I added difficulty to it, description, gave it the IDs that was necessary. Users, as there multiple people might be playing these games, so ideally you would want to have more people. So there's the users table. We got user achievements to track the achievements to the users. I did playtime, so you can record how long you've been playing the game, so you can get an average of how long it took you to get achievements. Platforms, since there's multiple different platforms the games can play on, and you may be playing on, so there's the platforms and game platforms for the other reason. DLC, just in case some DLCs add extra content to the achievements, so those are like kind of like block behind that wall. So if you're just trying to get the main game achievements, I made it separate like that, so it's easier to read. Some of the achievements descriptions can be a little bit wordy or difficult to understand, so having a hint table would be necessary. It'd be like a little bit extra, so it helps you get along with the achievement grinding. Feedback was the last thing table I've added, which was just feedback on the game. Was the achievements hard? Your overall experience with the game. So thought that would be nice, and you can even talk about the database if you so wish. The next ones were the insert statements. This is just me adding a bunch of the data, the raw data for the game. So me adding the achievements for each game, me then going and adding stuff the achievements that I've completed. I added different users. These are some of my friends and my family in there. So these are the achievements that I've been working on. Then I added the extra ones for playtime. So I just roughly gave how many hours I've had in each game. As you can see by the ones here, these are just me, since I'm just doing my data for now. The platforms, the various games I have, different stations, platforms for games there. The games that I have the platforms for, so I just chose my computer, so PC. DLCs, there have been added because of the games I've chosen, so here's some of them there. Hints, I explained for some of them, for one for each, since I need 5 rows of data, so I'll work on that some time and include more hints as the ones I've completed on. And these are some feedback I just wrote for some of the games I played, so each of them. The next one are the validate, so when I test this, you can get an idea of how, okay, each of these are working as intended. I can get a list back, just in case someone did less than 1 or more than 5, right? The 3 NF tests, simple code, just let me understand the relationships of the tables as shown in these results. And then the last thing I did was accurate operations, the show off of me, adding a game, Cyberpunk, being listed there 2020 RPG, then changing that data with the update command, saying it's an action RPG now and it was released a year later. And then, as we remembered from the beginning, test 1 being this user here and giving them access to AH tracker and giving them a password, and then just resetting the flush. So other than that, that's the database. It was fun making it. I feel like this is something I'm going to be working on. It's going to take time. Of course, I may be able to even get API keys for Steam, because that's the main system I've been using for PC. So there might be better ways to help track information like this. So other than that, this is my tracker. Thank you.